Alright, what up, boys? We're back with another banger. We're going to be opening a 10 box, and then whatever I can quick sell that I get out of this 10 box, we'll open more packs. But I got a video coming out for y'all about showing you all what's all in Season 7. So that'll be nice for you guys. And y'all probably already know, but, you know, why not, right? But I just decided to do... Is that Dark Matter? Dude, let's go, baby. Who is it? It's Paul Gasol. Dude, let's go. 5%. I should see, hopefully, another Dark Matter in here. But, ooh, it's a hollow. That's nice. I ain't doing all that. Alright, what else we get? Nothing. That's not too bad. I'll take that. They give you XP. Nothing. Okay. 2 diamonds. That's not bad, I guess. What are we getting? Alright. Nothing again. Amethyst. Oh, great. Yeah, but I spent like $20 for one of these, and then I think I should have enough for another pack with VC. So hopefully, Dark Matter's not too bad. Pink Diamond. Who the Pink Diamond? Victor Oladipo. That ain't too bad. Not a shake. Oh, well, at least he Evos. I could do the win the weekend thing for a free pack. That ain't too bad. No shake again. Surprising. Just not really. See this Paul Gasol. That looks nice. 90. Oh. Galaxy Opal. Give me a Galaxy Opal from the set or whatever so I can do Shaq. Great. Hopefully he sells for a little bit. I just remembered I could have done the XP challenge for Paul Gasol, but I just quick sold him because... Not quick sold him, but I sold him because I wanted the MT. God damn it. It was like, what, 3,000 XP gone? That sucks. Damn. Oh, well, I guess, but that sucks. I completely forgot. All I had was MT on my mind. And I'm not going to get a single shake. Jesus Christ. I can do a pack with BC now. Please be something good. Nope. Wow, imagine that. Oh my God. It's hard to breathe. Alright, boys, I scavenged, MT for another pack. Let's see if it was worth it. Nope, imagine that. Alright, if y'all like this video, comment down below, like the video, and share me to your friends if you haven't already. Love y'all, bye.